Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Veko. Are you new to intermittent fasting, or do you struggle to achieve your health goals with intermittent fasting? In this video, I will share 3 specific mistakes common among individuals new to intermittent fasting. Also, in the video description, I have included a downloadable link to download a short report containing beginner-friendly tips for individuals who are new to intermittent fasting. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I share lifestyle wellness tips that will help busy and stressed workers and entrepreneurs boost their mental and physical energy at work and to break unhealthy lifestyle and eating habits. So if you want to learn more about lifestyle wellness, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started. First mistake is over fasting. Fasting is a marathon, not a sprint. To gain the health benefits of fasting takes some time. The mistake most beginners make is that they start too hard with fasting. They want to gain the health benefits of fasting quickly, and it doesn't work that way. The body has to adapt to the metabolic shifts that occur during fasting, and it takes some time. So when beginners overfast, the body interprets it as a stressful event, and this leads to the release of stress hormones that will counter the health benefits of intermittent fasting. This is why some people will complain that intermittent fasting is not working for them. If you check, most times they are over fasting and the body is interpreting it as a stressful event. So what should you do? If you are new to fasting, experts recommend that you start gradually so that your body will adapt to the metabolic shift that occurs during fasting. Second common mistake amongst newbies is feasting. I must say I was guilty of this. Feasting is when you eat too much during your eating window. When I began intermittent fasting, I used to eat excessively during my eating window. Most times, the brain has a way of making you to eat more than you should to compensate for the fasting window, but you shouldn't allow your brain to trick you. This is because when you feast during your eating window, the excess calories will be stored as fat, and once fat is stored in your tissues and in the blood vessels, it will reduce your insulin sensitivity and predispose you to hypertension gradually, because the deposition in blood vessels will narrow the blood vessels and increase the vascular resistance in the blood vessels. This is why it's critical not to feast when you are practicing intermittent fasting. What you should rather do is to listen to your body. When you are eating, pay attention to your body. Immediately you feel full, endeavor to stop eating. This will reduce the tendency to feast. The last common error is eating refined foods during the eating window. You may have read online about claims of people saying you can eat whatever you want during your eating window. That is not entirely correct, especially for beginners. It will reduce the rate at which you will gain the health benefits of fasting. If you eat refined foods during your eating window, it will trigger the release of insulin and inflammation. And once this happens, there will be fatty deposition, and inflammation will negate the health benefits of fasting. This is why it's essential to eat only natural foods during your eating window at the beginning phase of fasting. Those are the 3 mistakes most fasting beginners make when they begin intermittent fasting. Are you new to intermittent fasting? What would you like to learn about intermittent fasting? Which of these mistakes have you made when you started intermittent fasting? Feel free to leave your comments below. Also, share this video with friends that will benefit from the tips I've shared in this video. If you want to learn more about how to eat healthy every day, check out my next video. Thanks for watching.